Alright, what's going on, guys? I usually don't make videos like this of like live, raw, uncut unboxings. My scene recently has really just been, you know, getting some nice clips of sneakers and then recording this nice scripted voiceover and editing that way. But I realize I'm going away for the next week. I'm going on a trip to Europe. I'll move my camera over here. That's my suitcase right there. So I'm not gonna have any content for you guys, and I just got this massive package in the mail that I'm actually pretty excited about. So I figured, you know what, it's 2020. Let's try this video format and just keep the camera rolling and see what I could stir up. So before I get started, you probably see it in the title. Yes, these are 3 retro runners from Nike. Got them from Finish Line. I was at work and I saw this flash sale they were doing of 50% off all sale items using the stupid promo code of new drip 50 or something stupid like that. I'm glad I hopped on it super fast and saw it when I did, because I went back later in the day to scoop up other things and saw everything in my size 9.5 or 10 was gone, so that's always good to get what I want. But yeah, I'm doing a lot of talking. I'm gonna, I guess, just do some B-roll in between, because this box is actually probably one of the biggest sneaker boxes I've gotten in the mail, which is partially why I was also excited to do a video like this. Yeah, I guess let's get started and just see. I got my handy knife that you guys probably see at the beginning of all the fast forward unboxing parts of my videos, plural. Let's do it. Shout out to them because tape was a little off. Hopefully I got some B-roll of that. Again, so it was 3 of them, so I think it was a total of $130 plus $7 shipping for these 3 pairs of sneakers. And I'll talk about each one briefly and hopefully get some clips. I got the new iPhone 11, so I guess we'll test the video quality and get some B-roll shots of these. So let's actually start with the receipt. This is a return label. Get this out of frame, just so you guys can see my address and stuff. Cool. So this is partially why I hate shooting on this DSLR after years. It's because I have to manually focus because the autofocus is kind of booty. Anyway, so you'll see there's 1, 2, and then there's a 3rd at the bottom there. I haven't seen what's inside, so I guess let's start with this one, since I kind of saw it already. So this is the, let's lower this light a bit, put it on manual. This is the Nike Air Tailwind IV in the white and habanero red black colorway. So these are unique because not only did they retail for $160, I got them for $80 with 50% off, so they're $40, which is sick. Let's get that focus better. Alright, live unboxing here. I don't really know what's going on. Boom. Oh, these are sweet. Wow, these are cool. Let's get these back in frame here. Boom. Look at those. This colorway kind of hits. This is pretty nice. So I picked these up, as I mentioned, for $40, which is incredible. You know, this is a shoe that sort of came back from the the late 90s rather. I remember when these came out in the Volt colorway earlier in 2019. You know, Nike did their thing and kind of oversaturated the market on these and put out a bunch of stupid non-OG colorways that I've been seeing a lot of people running into these at outlets or like Ross or Marshalls in like stupid colorways. This one seems to be pretty legit. This seems to look like something that would come out of the 90s. They look a little big. I got them in a size 10. A frequently asked question on my channel is like, what size are you? Because I always seem to go from between like a 9, usually more so just 9.5s and 10s. I usually get 10s in Nikes because I find that they fit a little funny. So I got every single shoe in here in a 10. Probably make individual videos on all of these, but this is the first one. The Air Tailwind IV. Alright, I guess we're gonna keep it moving here. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. Maybe I'll toss some voiceover stuff in if I miss anything when I'm editing, but you know, for now, we're doing alright. Cool, what do we have next? Ah, sick, I'm actually stoked about this one too. We have the Nike Air Max Lite 2, or Air Max 2 Lite. Excuse me, retail price $140. in the Racer Blue White Obsidian colorway. So these ones are another bang. Another retro runner. You know how much I love my retro runners. Shout out New Balance. They're kind of like the gold standard for me when it comes to retro runners. But yeah, these are the Air Max Light 2s. So these came out in the 90s too, I believe. And I need to do my research, probably write a voiceover because I'm going to do another individual videos on these. These flopped. I remember seeing the Atmos, I believe, collaboration with those crazy prints. And yeah, those are still low-key sitting. But the Air Max Light 2 or Air Max 2 Light is the follow-up to the Air Max Light that came out in the 90s. And these also did come out in the 90s. You know, like I mentioned in the Tailwind 4s, is that Nike does this thing where they kind of oversaturate the market. And they bring all these cool sneaker models back from the 90s, so people of those generations are hopping in line to buy them, and then they just create stupid colorways like this one. I don't think this one's super stupid, but it's definitely a non-OG colorway. This one is definitely more contemporary when it comes to, you know, it's more modern. It's not like those white and like funky pastel colors that I'll probably insert some pictures of. So these are them. They're interesting. Definitely look out on a video for these. Probably theme it in the way that why the Air Max Light 2 flopped, because it definitely was a sneaker flop. These are coming up. Oh, I didn't even mention the price I got these for. So these retailed for $140, and then they were on sale for, I think, $65 plus an additional 50% off, so they're only $32.50, which is mind-boggling. Like, how are you gonna say no to $30 pair of Nikes? So those are those. And then the last on deck here in this big box before I sign off is, let me get close. Okay, this is the one I'm actually the most excited for. I know I said I was stoked on all of those, but this one is definitely the most excited I am. Or I'm the most excited for this one, rather. You know, these one takes, I don't know how to talk. But these are the Nike Shox R4 in the black and metallic silver colorway, size 10, like I got on the other two pairs. Suggested retail price also of $140. So before I even open this, I'm gonna just pull these boys out. I go way back with Nike Shox. I grew up in I was born in '96, so I'm 23 now. I was alive and well in this era of 2000 sneakers. And a recent pickup I had were these Nike Shox VC5s. If you haven't checked out that video, go ahead and do so. But yeah, that was essentially my era of sneakers, and I remember these so vividly. And I was stoked when Nike decided to retro these in 2019, which is crazy. I think that was last year. I remember seeing these as a kid and thinking, wow, these are revolutionary. And wow, yes, they are. Oh, look at that nice little sale tag, $115. These are definitely maybe in stores. And these are looking a little long. Maybe I should have gotten a 9.5 in all of these, which is kind of beat because everything's out of stock now. But wow, holding these in the hand is pretty sweet. So you got obviously the metallic red, silver. Is there metallic red? I'm so stupid. Yes, metallic silver, black, and I guess red. Let's get that focus right. I'll have a video on these individually as well. But I believe these are the first Nike Shox silhouette that came into production utilizing the Shox technology. And this is the actual colorway too where it first released in. So these are definitely a throwback if 2000 sneakers are your thing. Yeah, wow, these are cool. I'm kind of speechless because I'm really excited about these. I hope they fit. I guess I'm gonna try all of them on off camera, maybe on camera, who knows. Price, not this price. So I'm gonna pause right there and cut some of the video because I'm an idiot and I didn't realize that $115 was the sale price that I technically paid, and then it's that divided by 2 to get the $57.50 amount. I just don't want to sound like a total idiot. You can tell this is why I don't do one takes, because I talk out of my, So yeah, back to our regularly scheduled programming. So, $57 for a pair of Nike Shox. Nostalgia alone, I think they kind of pay for themselves. Again, be on the lookout for a video on these because these are sweet. I don't know what context I'll wear these with. Who knows? Cool. But yeah, hopefully I'll have some B-roll of all these shoes lined up together because I think this is probably one of the bigger sneaker hauls I've had. And I haven't picked up 3 shoes in one order, I don't know, ever. You know, I usually buy shoes whenever I see a good deal on them. I guess just some additional stuff before I close out this video, what I wore on feet today, because usually I try to keep my YouTube community pretty updated. I wore these, the New Balance 991.9s, and you can see I've got some mileage on these. There's scuffs everywhere. Sole wear is getting there. But it rained today. I work out in New York City, so this is kind of like my rainy day shoe. Again, if you guys don't know, it's a made in England model. 991 uppers, 990 V3 midsoles. Cool hybrid shoe, cool rainy day shoe. Not too cold here in New York, New Jersey, so retro runners, or runners in general, are just my thing. But you know, I dabble in other things, so yeah, I guess that's enough. It's enough babbling. I can't wait to edit this and see how it all came out. Maybe you could hear how many times I've said or how rampant my thoughts have, one more time, or how rampant my thoughts have been. Yeah, be on the lookout. Video on these. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content. Peace.